Thank you very much for your patience. I know it's been a long day. मेरी कोशिश रहेगी कि जितने कम समय में ये इस विषय में कुछ बात करें. Our heartfelt thanks to BJP ITSL for inviting us to share our views. ये जो चीज़ है, what we had been hearing right from the morning कि citizen welfare is very important for good governance. लेकिन सुरक्षा भी एक मुद्दा होता है जिसके बल्ले पर वेलफेयर डेवलपमेंट बढ़ सकता है. आज व्हाट वी हैव सीन फॉर सम टाइम इन पास्ट हमारे देश में देयर आर थिंग्स दैट आर हैपनिंग which are internal to our country. There are elements beyond the border which are affecting in some way जहाँ पर गवर्नेंस या इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस के कुछ हिंड्रेंसेस दिख रहे हैं. तो उस हिसाब से कुछ बातें शेयर करना, we thought we would share some of our experiences in terms of establishing public safety using technology. तो एक तो है प्रेजेंट जो हम देख रहे हैं कि देर आर डिसरप्शन, समटाइम्स दैट हैपन मैन मेड, समटाइम्स दिस हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ नेचुरल कैलामिटी. लेकिन हमें वो गौर करना है कि किस हिसाब से उसे प्रोटेक्ट करें ताकि हमारे सोशल लाइफ, पॉलिटिकल लाइफ, इकोनॉमिक लाइफ, डेवलपमेंट चलता रहे और गवर्नेंस अच्छे से बेहतर होने लगे. इस हिसाब से एक तो चीज़ है हाउ वी प्रिपेयर आवरसेल्व्स. वन इज़ टू डू रिएक्टिव प्रिपरेशन, जो हो चुका है वो कैसे टाला जाए फ्यूचर में. और एक चीज़ है कि कैन वी मेक सम इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजंस ऑन अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आर दोज थिंग्स दैट माइट हैपन एंड प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम दोज रिस्क्स दैट माइट हैपन इन फ्यूचर. सो हमें ये बात साफ है कि शायद सवेरे से यहाँ पर जो विषय शायद आप लोग सुनने के लिए यहाँ पर इतने देर से विथ पेशेंस आप सुनने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं. ये चीज़ तकरीबन नॉट रियली विजिबल टू अस एज सिटीजन्स और those who are representative of citizens to deliver services, but these are, ये हमारे सामने प्रत्यक्ष नहीं है, लेकिन these are very important, these aspects. So I will very quickly talk about certain things about public safety. Public safety में देखते हैं कि क्या क्या है. हम पब्लिक है, जनता है, उनके सारे क्रिटिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स जो पब्लिक सोशल लाइफ, पॉलिटिकल लाइफ, इकोनॉमिक लाइफ चलाते हैं, और उसके बारे में जो स्टेबिलिटी चाहिए, प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए, इसीलिए हमें चारों ओर ध्यान रखना ज़रूरी है. Now, there are few projects which are interlinked that we know that are being looked at both at national level as well as state level. And we are aware that few of the states already are thinking of certain projects like safe city projects, border security projects, national intelligence, state intelligence projects. So there are few observations that we have seen in while engaging with various agencies within the state, within the national government. क्योंकि मुद्दा तो एक ही है, लेकिन adopting an approach to solve these problems are at times different in different states. Within the state, there are different projects which could have been, converged and dealt with directly, are probably not looked at this moment. So, ये correlation के बारे में हमें थोड़ा गौर करना है. Now, what is that risks that we see, or the intelligence agencies or law enforcement agencies they see, is about mitigating risks from entities which may be known, which may be unknown. So basically what they do is they gather data about those entities. Entity मतलब ये नहीं कि कोई एक जन है. It could be number of people, could be collection of organizations, could be events, could be anything that might interest or might lead to some disruption in our public life. So the project that actually goes through is about collecting various data from various sources, collating them, then analyzing them and take an action so that these things do not happen in our lives. Now, what basically information that are being collected today using technology are various kinds of events that are happening. I mean, there are people coming into the state for economic activities, there are people coming for various other activities, and then obviously there are activities within the state, within the country, which can give us some information about something that might have happened in past or something might happen in near future or in distant future. So, regarding an entity, what we generally gather is about some static information about what we know from governmental data, and then there are various other informations that we gather about individuals. What do they do? So, that gives us a lot of information to be dealt with. Now, there are very interesting things. I would not delve detailed into something like this scenario where some apparently unrelated events might lead to something that would disrupt social life, political life, economic activity, and that leads to a barrier of good governance. So basically what we are saying is that collect as much as information from various channels, not only from one channel, from various channels, all kinds of data that can be correlated, and finally arrive at something like this where people can, the authority can or administration can view various kinds of information from different channels. Now, as we understand,
request everybody to be seated, and yeah, it's creating a lot of disturbance over here. Probably another 5 minutes. Request everybody to be seated.
So basically, this is where I'm going to end this session. I know probably this is not the right topic for the right audience, but हमारे हिसाब से good governance is also about public safety. So we will leave few thoughts for some of the audience who might feel that they would be involved in that kind of projects in their own states, or there'll be some collaboration amongst different states, because protecting our state's interest or for the country's interest, there is a requirement for coordination amongst various agencies. The first thing is basically what we suggest, that there should be a convergence of different projects, because ultimately it's public's exchequer, it's basically money that are being spent on multiple projects together. Can they be converged to bring more impact on building a framework or foundation for public safety? Then there should be a change in the attitude of sharing information amongst various agencies and entities within the ecosystem. Those who are responsible for protecting the country and the state is about what we call need to know basis, translated or transformed into need to share basis. ये एक philosophical changes हैं कि not only we will share information when you come and ask for, rather the intent should be that मुझे जानकारी है, आप भी जानो, आपको भी शायद ये काम आ सकता है. So basically that's the what we call paradigm shift of from need to know basis to need to share basis. Then obviously what we are going to say is that acquire as much as information that are possible, because आज के हिसाब से टेक्नोलॉजी इतने आगे बढ़ चुके हैं कि there are many technologies, शायद ये जगह not appropriate, but there are concepts called big data, where you can actually accumulate lot of kinds of data in very high volume in terms of terabytes and petabytes, and then collate them together, process them, and get the right analysis for the right action. And basically this is what we are trying to propose for the respective stakeholders, so that for the agencies it is faster to act on events एक तो है कि we can recreate what has happened. Now there are maybe a lot of information that we can we can use to recreate those events that had happened. But जो हो चुका है उससे जो losses I mean that we have seen in public life and economic life, that is definitely something that we can take our learnings to apply into the future events. But it's also important to predict what might happen. And this is very important. This is a very important aspect of our country today, to see how we can mitigate such risks that are directly that might directly impact governance, economic development, citizens' welfare altogether. So this is a subject that we thought could be applicable and useful for this learned audience out here to apply in some way in their ecosystems to impact that aspect of the good governance, which is basically providing safety to public while discussing about public welfare. Thank you very much.